In this particular problem, we're taking a polynomial and dividing it by a binomial. When you're dividing by a binomial, you need to do long division. So we rewrite it where we're dividing x plus 3 into our polynomial. We have to have our polynomial in descending order, leaving a space for everything. Since there wasn't a term with just an x to the first going in descending order, I added in a 0x there, which is just like having a 0, which won't change our problem. So now we need to figure out what to put up here. So we'll take this 3x cubed and we'll divide it by our x out front. That gives you 3x squared, which will be our first item on the top of our division problem. Now distribute that to the front. 3x squared times x is 3x cubed. 3x squared times 3 is 9x squared. Draw a line with parentheses and then subtract. This subtraction has to distribute all the way across, so we'll change and distribute all the way across, which will make those cancel out. Adding those, we end up with negative 11x squared, because negative 2 and negative 9 makes the negative 11 as our coefficient in front of x squared. And then carry down your next term, which in this case is 0x. Now we need to figure out what to put up for our next term up here. So we take the negative 11x squared and divide it by the x out front, which is negative 11x. So we have negative 11x as our next term up there. Distributing our negative 11x times x is negative 11x squared. Negative 11x times 3 is negative 33x. Now you need a line, your parentheses, and we will subtract that. This subtraction needs to be distributed through, so it will change the signs of everything across there, and that'll make those cancel out. 0x and 33x is 33x, and then finally carry down your next term, which is 5. Now to figure out the next item that goes up here, we take 33x over the x out front, which is 33. So we'll have plus 33 up on top. Now, distribute your 33. 33 times x is 33x. 33 times 3 is 99. Draw your line, your parentheses, and subtract. Distribute your subtraction all the way across, which makes those cancel, and our remainder of 5 plus negative 99 is negative 94. That can be written as negative 94 over our divisor, which is negative 94 over x plus 3. Or instead of plus a negative 94, you could change this to a subtraction. Your solution is 3x squared minus 11x plus 33 minus 94 over x plus 3.